General cleaning of lead-acid batteries should be a part of a regular battery maintenance schedule. How often you clean a battery depends upon its exposure to dirt and dust, and also how rapidly electrolyte accumulates on the cell trays. This short how-to video will demonstrate for you the proper method to clean and neutralize a lead-acid motive power battery. Always use a face shield when cleaning and neutralizing a battery. Be sure vent caps are in place and tight before you begin the cleaning process. Use a neutralizing wash cleaner such as Battery Protector's Neutralizing Battery Cleaner. This will neutralize acid buildup and, when used as directed, will eliminate harmful corrosion which can cause acid shorts or dangerous arcing, as well as compromise the condition of the cell trays. Baking soda should not be used as a neutralizer because it has no color change properties, therefore it cannot locate acid leaks. It also creates a messy paste that is difficult to remove and will clog filters in recirculating filter battery wash systems. Industrial degreasers also are not recommended because they do not neutralize and, over time, they cause significant damage to plastics and rubber. Begin by spraying the neutralizing battery cleaner on top of the battery surface. Apply solution generously from both sides of battery to ensure neutralizing cleaner makes contact with vertical surfaces. The color change formula of the neutralizing cleaner will turn purple when acid is detected and will change to yellow once the acid is neutralized and safe to wipe clean. Next, use clean rags to wipe clean all battery surfaces. Thoroughly wipe down sides of battery and the battery tray. Once you've completed the cleaning, dispose of rags immediately, keeping in accordance with local, state, and federal regulations. For more videos in our material handling series, visit quickhowto.com.